To turn on your Brookstone heated blanket safely, start by laying it flat on your bed with the label positioned at the foot and facing upward. This ensures the internal wiring is aligned correctly. Next, locate the connector at the bottom of the blanket and firmly attach the controller cord. Make sure it clicks securely into place to avoid power interruptions. Plug the power cord directly into a standard 120-volt wall outlet. Avoid extension cords or surge protectors, as they can reduce proper power flow. Press the power button on the controller and confirm the display lights up. Then choose your preferred heat level using the controller settings. If your model includes an auto shut-off timer, set it according to your preference, most default between 10 and 12 hours for safety. If your blanket isn't heating, first test the wall outlet with another device to confirm it works. Check that the controller and power connections are tight and secure. Try resetting the unit by unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes before reconnecting. Carefully inspect the blanket and cord for fraying, burns, or exposed wires. If any damage is present, stop using it immediately. Always keep the blanket flat while in use. Never fold it when powered on, and ensure it's completely dry after washing before plugging it back in.